Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find info about the Scribd application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, go to the last bar at the home screen, the lower bar, sorry, and go to the last button, the account, and here you can find the second option, the learn more about Event and Scribd. Click that, and you can find in this page different information about the application, and you can find it different questions in different topics, and you can read the text and answers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.